Hi guys, happy Tuesday, Skywatching. It is actually in the afternoon, so the sun is setting over here. You'll see that big bright light up there. That's the sun, the clouds. It has been overcast today, but you can obviously see there's blue there, so the clouds have dispersed. Over in the corner over there, I like to check out those. We always get, why isn't it focusing? That's weird. Now it is. See over there, those little clouds that look like little waves? We always seem to get little clouds over there like that. There's just a little baby cloud there. Moving around. See what we've got around the other side of the house. It's beautiful birds. A little bit of clouds. Like I said, there's the sun over there trying to get through the clouds. There's a couple of birds just there. Hello guys. Hello birdie. Hello birdies. Another one up there. And there's another one. Hi guys. Hi birds. Now I'm bird watching. Sky and bird watching. I can see you up there. What? You want to talk to Dolly? She's inside. So yeah, just like I said, a little bit of Tuesday sky watching as the sun is setting. And the birds are talking, saying g'day. And, they're washing the old Hills hoist, which was invented in Australia here. See, if you didn't know that, now you do. Not much colour as such, but like, oranges and all that sort of thing. But yeah, some clouds there. Let's try and look really into the clouds and see what I can see, especially when I watch back. I suppose that's what it's all about, a sky watching. A little bit of nature happening too. Well, that's skies anyway. But there's those ones in the distance, which are going to take a little minute to focus, like before. This one's there in the distance. I was just being quiet while their birds had their little chat about things. And the ones above me. Alright, I'm going now. Bye guys. Anyway, happy sky watching, happy Tuesday, and love to all. Bye for now.